Hi guys and welcome back. Here is something really important unfolding on the Bitcoin chart, and that's why I wanted to come on and make a really quick Bitcoin update, because that could be really severe for the immediate short term for Bitcoin. And I also want to talk about a little bit about Ethereum and also the long-term outlook for Bitcoin here, what we have to expect over the next couple of days, not only for the next couple of hours. So if you think that's interesting, then smash up the like button, subscribe to the channel and activate the notification bell so that you will never miss out on these important updates. So and now let's get here directly into the action here on the chart. So what happened here was that Bitcoin was forming here this head and shoulders pattern, and has actually successfully broken to the downside, and went then on to consolidate a little bit to sideways, pushed up again here against the neckline of this head and shoulders pattern, and actually got now rejected here over the last couple of hours and is now trading lower. So the major problem with this is that we were potentially forming here a bullish divergence on the 1 hourly. But this got now invalidated by the RSI breaking here under this upward sloping trend line. And also the price action getting rejected here from the neckline, which is confirming actually then the head and shoulders pattern. And the target for this head and shoulders pattern would be, so it's not that low. So like I said yesterday, I think here close to $20,300. And that might be actually a good moment to open here more short positions. If you have not opened a short position yet, then don't forget, you can go here under my video. There you still get $4,500 if you use here my link to sign up on Bybit. But guys, don't forget, the markets are highly volatile, and that's only for experienced traders. The same goes for BitGet, $4,163 in free bonuses and 15% discount on the trading fees, also only with that specific link here. So now let's get here quick back into Bitcoin and let's see what the EMA ribbons are doing. So here you see that was also something that I have warned about, that I expect the EMA ribbons here to turn here again bearish, as the price action could not hold here above the EMA ribbon and got also rejected from there and is moving now to the downside. And here another trend line that I would be looking at would be here, this downward sloping downwards trend line. And you see this is actually also down to the target that we have for this head and shoulders pattern. Now it's already, in my opinion, too late to get into this trade, unless we would break here way lower. And there is a chance of this to actually be happening, because we have now a confirmed breakdown out of this rising wedge here, with one daily candle closing outside, and this daily candle also pushing here more to the downside. So even if I take here the RSI, you see we have here a classic sell signal on a stochastic RSI, so that makes everything even more bearish for the immediate short term. So for the next 4 to 10 days, I definitely expect here Bitcoin to retest before we see here any turnaround for the Bitcoin price in the mid $20,000 area, because we have also clear resistance now here around $22,000 and also all the way down here at $21,800, $22,500 in that region. A lot of resistance that the Bitcoin price has to break, so that we can actually move here into higher regions. This became now so strong resistance, I think it's highly unlikely that we will break this in the next couple of days. And it's more likely that we either consolidate sideways down, or just go sideways here in that range of $20,000 to $22,000 before we see here any major move for the Bitcoin price here again. So now we can also have a quick look here on Ethereum. Ethereum looks a little bit different, but also here I'm not really convinced, because we got also rejected here once again today from the neckline of this inverse head and shoulders pattern that we have here. So, and yeah, the longer we consolidate under this and try to break this, the more solidified becomes this here as a ceiling. So, and the likelier the chances are getting that we see a massive rejection here to the downside, especially because we also don't see here any volume coming in on the 4-hourly chart, and the stochastic RSI also wants to roll over here again and give another sell signal. Yeah, in the next 20 minutes when the 4-hourly candle is closing here. So this is also not giving us a really good outlook here. For now, we are getting supported on the 50 exponential moving average here on Ethereum on the 4-hourly chart, but I also expect that to break. And then the immediate targets under this here, I show it to you guys once again, is here the 1050 1080 dollar range. And that will be actually a good opportunity to DCA a little bit for Ethereum. So I will be looking here to scoop up some Ethereum and potentially even lower, because I believe Ethereum could actually break here this low point at $875. So also here potentially a good opportunity to short Ethereum. And guys, don't forget, on Bybit is also right now the World Series of Trading. I have also the link here. There you can join my team. So, and in this World Series, there we don't only trade together, you can also win every day amazing prizes. So they have here, let me have here a quick check again. I'm not logged in, that's why I think I cannot see it. So, but they have a daily raffles for like NFTs, for money that we can win, and all that kind of stuff. But you have to sign up under my link and then also join this competition here with that specific link to join my Bybit trading team. So also definitely go and check this out. So, and if you think leverage trading is not for you, then you can still join my paid signets group. So here's the link to my staff. They can hook you up with everything. We are making amazing gains, over 1,400% in the last 28 days, in the last 28 days, and on spot it was over 500%. So also something definitely you should check out, but my staff can give you all these details when you contact them. So definitely check this out. Guys, that's it already for today's episode. That's a wrap. Please don't forget, smash up the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and I see you again tomorrow.